Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are seeing a 500 internal server error while browsing in Google Chrome, don't worry. In this quick video, I will show you how to fix it step by step so you can get back online fast. So let's give you a quick note. First, remember a 500 internal server error usually means there is a problem with the website server, not your browser. But sometimes cache data or bad connection can trigger it on your end. So let's get fixed that. So first of all, refresh and try incognito. So here you just need to click three dot and then open your incognito window, and like this is the simplest fix. Refresh the page by pressing Ctrl plus R. It's like or clicking the reload button. If that does not work, open a new incognito window, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus N, like Ctrl Shift plus N, and it will give a hard refresh. Then paste the link and see if it loads there. This bypass cache cookies and extensions. Now let's talk about second step, that clear cache and cookies. So we already opened this one. So if it is working incognito, your cache might be the issue. To clear it, click the three dots. Once you click over here, then eventually you will get the options to the setting. You just need to go to here and then select privacy and security, and then you just need to be click this delete browsing data and select all time and select apart from all of them in here, and then just click delete data and it will be now okay. And check cached images and files and cookies. I already mentioned. Then click clear data, reload the website. Sometimes a fresh start fixes the 500 error. If it is not work, then the next one is extension. So extension can also cause problems. Like here you can see manage extensions. So click the three dots and go to the mobile mode tools and click the extension. Turn off all extension, then reload the page. If it works, then turn them back on by one to find the troublemaker. Now it's still not working, then sometimes your network can block request. Try connecting to another Wi-Fi network or use your phone's hotspot. If this site works on another connections, your router ISP may be the issue. So if you have tried everything and the error is still there, it's probably on the website side. Look for the contact us page or social media and let them know they may be fixing it already. And that's it. Try these steps next time you see in 500 error in Chrome. If this helped, like, subscribe and let me know in the comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.